Whales are fascinating marine mammals with many unique characteristics. Here are some interesting facts about them. Largest animals on Earth. The blue whale is the largest animal ever to have lived, reaching up to 100 feet, 30 meters, in length and weighing over 200 tons. Mammals, not fish. Whales are warm-blooded, breathe air, and give birth to live young, unlike fish. They also nurse their young with milk. Breathing through blowholes. Whales have blowholes on top of their heads that allow them to breathe at the surface. Baleen whales have 2 blowholes, while toothed whales have 1. Long migrations. Some whale species, like the gray whale, migrate thousands of miles between feeding and breeding grounds each year. Social and intelligent. Whales communicate using complex vocalizations, including songs and echolocation. Diverse species. There are 2 main types of whales. Baleen whales, Mysticeti, filter feeders that use baleen plates to strain small organisms from the water. Toothed whales, Odontoceti, carnivorous whales with teeth. Deep divers. Some whales, like the sperm whale, can dive over 3,000 meters and stay underwater for more than an hour in search of food. Longevity. Bowhead whales can live for over 200 years, making them one of the longest living mammals.